600 yards.
Tell me before you're gonna shoot.
Okay, I'm up 14 minutes and I'm gonna dial 2 minutes to the right. Okay. Okay, ready?
Ready. Hi.
I saw it.
Like 2 feet high, 3 feet high.
Came down 3 minutes. Okay. Firing.
Okay.
Right above the head, I saw it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come down another minute and a half.
At least.
I came down 2. Firing.
Okay. About the same place.
Yeah, I saw it.
Gonna let her cool?
Yep, let her cool down. I'll come down 1 more minute.
See where I hit.
Okay. Right at the bottom of it.
Low, huh?
Yeah. You come up 3 feet, you'll be at the bottom of the target.
Okay.
Right over it.
Right over the top?
Yep, right over the top.
Centered?
Center.
Holy balls. Shit.
What?
Had to have been loaded out of my other 6.5. They're tighter than shit in here. Okay, here we go again.
Okay. Center mass.
Did I hit it?
Yep.
Yeah, I can see the mark.
Center mass hit.
Cool. You tell me when you're gonna shoot, Joe.
Yeah, I'm gonna let her cool down. I'm gonna put it in the shade.